So I'm up at Waterfall Gully again. I'm on 4Weeks, or World Cup, it's also called. Got the DPX2 on the back, no spacer, so basically the optimal setup that I found previously when I was tuning this. No spacer, 4 clicks of low speed compression and rebound. I'm not sure of the clicks, but active but not fast, super fast. Feels good. I'm going to drop this trail. I've got the Superdeluxe here as well, but I can't get the can open. I changed the tune up a little bit on that, and couldn't find a better tune. I know where the optimal is on that shot. I was just playing around a bit, but and definitely confirmed what I felt with my previous setup there. So we're just going to see how this one goes down 4 weeks. Again, it's good, not great, but it's acceptable for sure. Makes a fair bit of noise in the back. I've got the dissector on the back as well, so that's pretty cool. It's not very stable or calm at the back, I will say that. I can't really let the bike go like I can with the Superdeluxe on the back. You feel a little bit more chatter, a little bit more unstable, and you just got to hold on a little tighter with your feet, which I don't like. And I drag a fair bit. Something's clapping back there as well. What's going on? Yeah, it's just not supple at all. It creates a lot of noise from the bike. And stuff like this, it's just not super calm at the back. But high speed, slowier trails, it absolutely charges. Stuff like this, you just got to be careful. See, I just don't have the control that I'd like. Like, it's good, don't get me wrong, but I'm not comfortable, put it that way. Every hit kind of unsteadies your body language, making it a lot harder through that rut. For sure, that rut is so sketchy. If you're going to ride this trail, be careful, because it's super sketchy. Back up the top of 4 weeks at Waterfall Gully, Superdeluxe, sub-optimal setup. So the current setup in there is 3.5 tokens, which my optimal is 2 tokens, and I've got a 165 psi versus 180, so the 1.5 tokens is about 15 psi difference. So I still get a good ride out of it, but it's just not quite as supple. So let's drop it in and see how it goes. Nice dusty right hander there, that's fun. And this one's pretty loose as well. Got to get around it well. Much more composed at the back than that. Much more composed. I'm not having to plant my feet nearly as hard. Good. It's not rough on the landings, that's good. Carrying good speed. It's actually quite good. Should be a good test. Whoop. Oh, bit of line there, no biggie. It's still a bit choppy at the back, but not terrible. Certainly a lot more control. Like I said, not optimal, but it is good. And that control comes in super handy in a spot like this where you got this rut, because you need to be able to move around. And if your feet are getting speed up on the pedals, you can't make those subtle adjustments because you're countering too many things at once. That won't make that. Probably would have actually. Whew. Almost oversteered that. I should be hitting these jumps. I don't know why I'm pussying out. I usually hit them. That's good. So I could probably button off the PSI a little bit and add a bit of low speed compression, and that's probably going to make that shock even better. So I might do that, leave it in the current configuration, and next time start at maybe 160. We'll see how that goes. But that was 4 weeks. That's pretty cool.